March 9th, 9 p.m. Woke up 7:40. Yeah, I'm heading to the train station to buy a ticket to Ella. Wish me luck. I have 2 hours 10 minutes left, so I should get the ticket. Yeah, this Airbnb was good for one day, but besides that, I got woke up by somebody 2 days in a row. Somebody burning trash in the morning and everything was going inside. That sucked.
Hello? My man.
Yeah, it's not hot yet, so very nice and cool. Just came to this random place, kind of egg hoppy. So I'm at the train station. Hope I get lucky and get the ticket. All railway. 3rd class. That's what I need. So this train should go to Ella. I don't know, it's 9:20. So it's too early. I didn't have breakfast, but man, this is gonna suck. Oh look, it's so full. So I thought there's gonna be a train at 8:45, but there is at 9:20 also, and it's still not moving. So the ticket cost me $300. Got some food. There's some sellers on the train. So we finally arrived to Ella. It's 5 p.m. I left like 9:40 maybe. Yeah, it's exactly 5. Yeah, it took me a while, but it was fun. It was fun. Yeah, I saw people like sitting. I don't know. There's like half a meter from the edge. But still, it's fun, you know. A lot of people do it. I filmed as much as possible, and also the ticket, like I said, costs 300. So that's like not that much, and you get a seat eventually because after some stops after Kandy, people just get out. So just get a seat. So that's like a good deal. So this is traditional Sri Lanka,
Yes,
yeah?
of course.
So there is some bars. It's more chill. For 1 kilo is 550. So I'm walking to my Airbnb. Kinda steepy. It's like you can walk through the tea plantation. Not super well maintained, but still a tea plantation. Yeah, today was cool. It's nice. So far, LA is also very nice. Yeah, the view is also quite nice. The thing that annoys me, like 2 days in a row I got up, and you can see there's also like trash burning. Like it's very common here. Like everywhere trash is burning, like nowhere else. Wonder why? Maybe because it's close to them islands. Seychelles, or not Seychelles, I don't know. Like they're very close to Sri Lanka, Indian Sea. I heard they do that also to get rid of the garbage. But yeah, so far it's very nice. I got some good durian, I got some good food. Just 2 dogs are coming, and they wonder what do they want. Hope not biting my leg. So the Airbnb is called Village View Homestay. And I'm paying 4,000 rupees. It's like maybe 13 euro or something. Yo, I did look tired. Not really. Yeah, so nice view. Beautiful. This is where I am. It looks like a little bit romantic. I don't know. I need a girl for this, you know. Yeah. Looks very nice. For the price, like 4,000 rupee. Very good price. Just the lock sucks. Yeah, I just filled my bottle with water and there was like this small, like worm thing, like it was moving. I don't know, that's nasty, man. I wonder where was it. Maybe it's from some fruit that I ate, or maybe if I just filled the bottle just a second ago and I found it. Now I'm like cleaning it. Damn, that's nasty. I took some water just a second ago from the host's filter, so it could be that. Airbnb lock. Kind of funny. So I'm ending the day, March 9th. Hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow.